Fire TV stick for gaming. Is it good enough? Are you tired of your game lagging right when you are about to win? It is frustrating when your Fire TV stick just cannot keep up with the action. You deserve a smooth gaming experience without the constant stuttering or slowdowns. The good news is that you can fix these issues yourself at home. After watching this video, you will have all the steps to make your Fire TV stick gaming ready. If you face any difficulty during these steps, please leave a comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. Also, please like and share this video, and subscribe to TechVibes for more tech solutions. Let us start with the proven solutions to boost your gaming performance. We will cover everything from basic updates to advanced network settings. First, ensure your device software is up to date. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV. Then go to About, then select Check for Updates. Install any available software to fix hidden bugs. Next, you must manage your applications. Too many background apps can slow down your games. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Select your most used apps and select Clear Cache. This frees up memory for your gaming session. Now let us enable Game Mode. This feature reduces input lag significantly. Go to Settings, then go to Display and Audio, then go to Display. Select Game Mode and turn it on. This ensures your TV responds faster to your controller movements. Your network is the most important part for cloud gaming. You need a fast and stable connection. Always use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band instead of 2.4 GHz. The 5 GHz band has much less interference. Aim for at least 15 to 25 megabits per second for a smooth experience. Higher speeds are even better. For the best results, use an Ethernet adapter with an OTG cable. A wired connection is always more stable than Wi-Fi. Also, try restarting your router and disabling data usage monitoring in your Fire TV preferences. Whether you use Amazon Luna or Xbox Cloud Gaming, these steps will help you enjoy your favorite titles without the lag. You now have the knowledge to optimize your Fire TV stick for gaming. Do not let technical issues stop your fun. Go ahead and try these fixes. I am confident you will see a big difference in your gaming performance today. Thank you for watching TechVibes. See you in the next video.